Hey, what's going on, guys? Extreme Potion this here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a 3D object outline in Blender. So to start things off, use the Eevee render engine and add an object. Let's add a cube, and let's go to the modifiers tab and add the solidify modifier. I'm just gonna uncheck fill rim and check flip normals and make it, make this very thick. And next thing is go to the materials tab, add two materials there. Two materials. I'm just gonna make this in mission shader. This two. Yeah, let's make this out of. So in the second material, make this dark one, make the black, and check backface culling. Remember the number of this material. The number of this material is number 2. So let's go here. Let's change this to, and let's just hit render real quick and see the effect. Yeah, this is really cool. So if you want me to make a tutorial about how to import this in Roblox, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you want me to make more of these Blender tutorials and anything. So yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.